We continue improving our workflow code, and let's make it a little more object-oriented. For example, we can receive from the Blockchain Explorer the object that contains information about our transaction. Let it be transaction info. Let's create this class. For simplicity, it has a hash and confirmations number. Done. Now go back to the activity. Change the type hint and return this new object. Provide a hash and let's say 10 confirmations. Also, when we return an object from the activity, we need to explicitly say it via annotation. Return type and the class. Now the workflow. We rename the variable and fix its type. And instead of checking confirmations number, we can ask this object if it is confirmed or not. Add this method. As previously, we consider the transaction as confirmed if it has more than 0 confirmations. And let's rename the method, because now instead of confirmations, we return the whole object with transaction info. Okay, we are done. Let's check if it still works. Done, the transaction is confirmed. Let's see details in UI. This is our activity, and when it completed, it returned our object. You can see a hash and confirmations here. Now you know that in addition to primitive types, you can also return objects from activity.